Hello YouTube, this is SquirrelFan101 signing in. I'm going to be building a Lego helicopter. This is less pieces than my Lego car, and they're pretty easy to get Lego pieces. The only one you might have trouble with getting would be this one. I don't know. But if you have this one, you probably have all the other ones. But let's get started. That's first up. These are the legs of the helicopter. Okay. That's the second step. Easy. Very easy. I'll be adding this to here. This is going to be the tail of the helicopter. Add it on just like that. And add this. Just like that. Get a good glimpse of it. Alright. Adding the clear pieces. Yeah, it's like the front windshield or whatever, and I added that little black piece. Okay, so I'm adding this with this, just like that. Spins nice. Okay. Just add these two pieces to opposite side of the helicopter wing. Spins nice. And just add it on. It's going to be covering the black piece and that clear piece. So like that. There it is, the Lego helicopter. It's I like it. It's easy to build. I think it looks cooler than the car, and it is not a symmetrical Lego helicopter. You know, most helicopters I don't think would be symmetrical. This one is not symmetrical like this, and it is not repeated on this side, and this is not on this side, so it's not symmetrical. And like most Legos are symmetrical. But that's it. This is SquirrelFan101 signing out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.